Folds are geological structures primarily formed by compressional forces at convergent plate boundaries. Folding, the process involved, entails the bending or deformation of rock layers due to horizontal compression. Over millions of years, immense pressure causes rocks to bend and buckle, forming these distinctive structures. Folds exhibit a wide range of characteristics, from gentle undulations to tight, complex patterns. This results in the development of various fold types including anticlines, synclines, and monoclines. Factors such as rock type, temperature, and pressure influence the formation and appearance of folds. These geological features provide valuable insights into the tectonic history and structural evolution of Earth's crust.